Former teen mom to Jace, Jenelle Evans' 13-year-old son, has been given custody. 10 years have passed since her mother Barbara was given sole custody of him. In an exclusive interview with Us Weekly on Saturday, she said, "My mom and I decided together to grant me full custody back because we want to rebuild our relationship as mother and daughter. My mother also feels that Jace should return to living with his parents and his siblings." Jace, 31, lives with Jenelle's former partner, Andrew Lewis. Jace's mother and her 34-year-old spouse, David Eason, will share a home. The teen mom actress went on, "She also believes that Jace has to spend time with a father figure in order to understand male stuff and engage in guys' talk. She knows we can manage it since she's seen how David raises my kids. For the benefit of the kids and, as I previously mentioned, mending our connection as mother and daughter, we all want to get along. It's official. On Thursday, March 16th, at the courthouse, we signed the paperwork." Shortly after Jace was born in 2009, Jenelle surrendered custody of him to her mother, following charges of possession of marijuana and breaking and entering. The former reality TV star was just 17 years old. In addition, she shares custody of her 8-year-old son Kaiser with her former partner, Nathan Griffith. The sole kid she has with David, whom she married in 2017, is 6-year-old Ensley. Jenelle is his 15-year-old daughter Marissa's stepmother. According to August Keene, her manager, she and David are currently in a stable situation. Jenelle and David are undoubtedly a couple, and their relationship is wonderful. "They're a content family and everything is oak," he remarked. In 2016, the MTV personality and her mother Barbara engaged in a heated legal dispute over her son's custody. All court records were sealed, but Jenelle was outspoken about Jace's out-of-control behavior and frequently asserted that Barbara wasn't qualified to care for the youngster. When court records are sealed, only the parties engaged in the case can view them, making all filings and future proceedings private. As of October 2022, she and Barbara are no longer on speaking terms. It's unclear if they have settled their differences and are now communicating once more. During the legal battle, the mother of 3 was allowed to see Jace every other weekend, even though she didn't have custody. Jenelle hinted on social media last month that she was preparing some major news when she declared that she had accomplished the unthinkable. She said to a fan in a Facebook post's comments area, "I can't wait to share my news with you this week about my case. I'm about to achieve the unthinkable and cannot wait to share the news with everyone," she added in a different post. However, she attempted to dispel fan rumors about Jace with a status update once they started to circulate. Jenelle wrote, "I'm not talking about custody at all. That's not what I'm announcing." She posted a vlog on TikTok in January, documenting her and Jace's first day together in a long time. Barbara and David have a lengthy history of disagreements, dating back to when David made fun of her in a TikTok video in February. According to court documents from North Carolina that the U.S. Sun exclusively received in April 2021, Jenelle's kid set fire to his grandmother's house and exhibits out-of-control behavior. Jenelle stated in the custody file that a substantial change in circumstances affecting the minor child's welfare called for a modification of the custody agreement. According to the former Teen Mom 2 star, Jace is at risk of bodily injury while in his grandmother's care. She later filed for emergency custody as a result of that encounter. Jace's behavior issues have gotten worse, according to Jenelle, which makes him physically aggressive, uncontrollable, and dangerous. Barbara allegedly informed the YouTuber that she cannot control the minor child's behaviors. According to Jenelle's lawsuit, Barbara was told multiple times by Jace's medical professional to contact a crisis hotline or visit the ER if his aggression escalates. Jenelle brought up an alleged occurrence on December 19, 2020, where Barbara and Jace allegedly had a day-long argument. According to the court documents, Barbara was physically assaulted twice by the minor child, resulting in injuries to her. In addition, the minor child set fire to the carpet due to his anger towards Barbara. There is a history of the minor child starting fires in Barbara's home. Did not contact the crisis line or seek any treatment or professional help for the minor child during this incident, Jenelle said her mother had done. The proprietor of JA Cosmetics claimed that Barbara contacted Jenelle to ask for assistance with Jace.